Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we resume our trip to Virginia and we begin at mile 415 in Jefferson County, Tennessee near the town of Dandridge, heading east on I-40. Dandridge is the county seat of Jefferson County and is part of the Morristown Metropolitan Statistical Area. Dandridge had a population of 2,956 as of 2016. Here, I-81 exits to the left and heads north, while I-40 continues east towards the North Carolina border. This is the southern terminus of I-81. We enter the town of White Pine, which had an estimated population of 2,262 as of 2016. European settlers first arrived in what is now White Pine in the 1780s. The community, originally known as Dandridge Crossing, did not become a town until after the Civil War, when a railroad route was constructed in the area. The site chosen for the town was where the railroad tracks intersected a local stagecoach road. The town was laid out in the early 1870s. According to tradition, the town was named after a large pine tree that once stood along Main Street. We enter Hamblen County, which has a population of 63,785 as of 2016. Its county seat and only incorporated city is Morristown, which is nearby. The county is named in honor of Hezekiah Hamblen, an early settler, landowner, attorney, and member of the Hawkins County Court for many years. Governor DeWitt Clinton Center, a resident of the county, used his influence to assist in its establishment. The Hamlin County Courthouse was completed in 1874. During World War I, Hamblen County was the only county in the United States to have two Medal of Honor recipients. Edward R. Talley and Calvin Ward both earned them while fighting on the Western Front. We enter Greene County, which has a population of 68,615 as of 2016. The county was formed in 1783 and the county seat is Greenville. As we'll see a bit further down the road, Greene County was the birthplace of Andrew Johnson, the 17th President of the United States, and American frontiersman and folk hero Davy Crockett. Jonesboro, Tennessee's oldest town, is in Greene County, as well as historic Rogersville. We conclude today's video here at exit 23. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.